Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best hand care kit is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your overall well-being, offering a convenient and effective solution to maintain healthy, soft, and protected hands. This video will guide you through the essential components of a comprehensive hand care kit, helping you choose the perfect products to keep your hands in top condition, no matter your lifestyle or skin type, ensuring you're equipped to tackle daily challenges while keeping your hands looking and feeling their best. Number 5. Hand Cream Gift Set. This luxurious gift set is perfect for pampering your hands. It includes everything you need to keep your hands soft, smooth, and youthful looking. It's enriched with natural glycerin, shea butter, and vitamin E. These ingredients gently soothe and soften dry, rough hands, protecting them from oxidative stress. This non-greasy cream protects your skin from UV damage, increases collagen quality, and improves moisture retention. Enjoy a forever young, silky finish. Experience the delightful scents of peony and shea almond in these hand creams and exfoliating cream. It's triple the pleasure. The mild, non-irritating formula is perfect for all skin types. It's especially helpful during cold or dry seasons to combat dryness and dehydration. This travel-sized set makes a wonderful gift for friends, family, or co-workers, or a luxurious treat for yourself. What we like. This hand cream set uses natural ingredients to gently soften your hands, leaving a silky finish. Its delightful floral fragrance adds a touch of luxury to your daily routine. If you appreciate natural, beautifully scented skincare, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Dos cremas y un exfoliant. Aroma agradable que perdura por varias horas. Las manos están suaves al tacto. Love this. I use it at the end of my shower and then rinse off. My skin has never been more smoother. I was pleasantly surprised by the whole package, as it is most difficult to find something nice in a store now. Number 4. Hand Mask Moisturizing Gloves. These gloves contain natural botanical extracts and hydrating ingredients. They firm your skin, slow collagen reduction, and make your hands look younger. This set includes 5 pairs of moisturizing hand masks. Enjoy a creamy, hydrating spa experience for your hands in just 10 to 20 minutes. They're easy to use at home or in the office. No peeling or scrubbing is needed for soft, smooth hands. These intensive hydrating gloves are perfect for dry, cracked, or wrinkled hands. Leave them on for 20 minutes or even overnight for best results. These gloves are touchscreen compatible. You can use your phone, surf the internet, or do housework while enjoying a hand treatment. What we like. These hand masks are designed to fight wrinkles and hydrate dry skin. They're incredibly easy to use, fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to rejuvenate your hands, this is the choice for you. What people say. This is one of the best hand masks I used, and it's easy to use and leaves hands so smooth and fresh. I love these. I've had several brands, similar items before. These are top quality. Easy to use with the wrist ankle tapes. These are wonderful for making my hands so soft. Number 3. Spa Gift Set for Women. Unwind and treat yourself to an unforgettable spa experience at home. This thoughtfully curated kit offers everything you need for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. Show your love and appreciation with this luxurious spa gift set. It's the perfect present for Valentine's Day, or any special occasion. This amazing set includes 22 premium skincare and self-care items. You'll find everything from face masks and bath bombs to cozy socks and aromatherapy roll-ons. Pamper your skin with a variety of masks designed to detoxify, hydrate, and nourish. Achieve a gorgeous, radiant glow from head to toe. Indulge in a blissful bath with a scented candle, handmade soap, and a fizzy bath bomb. Let the soothing aromas melt away your stress. Drift off to a peaceful night's sleep with a calming aromatherapy roll-on and comfortable eye mask. Enjoy cozy comfort with the included fuzzy socks. What we like. This spa kit offers a wide variety of luxurious self-care items for a truly pampering experience. It includes everything you need for a relaxing bath and skincare routine. If you're looking to indulge in some serious self-care, this is the ultimate gift for you. What people say. The products in the box were exactly as listed. Very good products for the price. Pretty packaging too. It has some nice products, and a good variety of skin products and wellness products. A nice display when you open the box and everything is nicely laid out. Decent features and mixed selection of products. Bought as an extra Christmas gift for my granddaughter. She loved it. There were lots of pamper things in it, all of W.O.D. quality. I'd recommend it for all ages, teens to 30-ish, in a nice box which was strong and attractive. Number 2. BURT'S Hand Repair Set. This holiday season, give the gift of soft, healthy hands. This luxurious set is perfect for anyone who deserves a little pampering. It includes 3 nourishing hand creams to tackle dryness and repair damage. Each cream is formulated with natural ingredients for ultimate care. The almond milk hand cream is ultra-rich and deeply moisturizing, perfect for dry, chapped skin. It leaves your hands feeling soft and smooth. The shea butter hand repair cream is intensely hydrating, helping to heal and protect your hands from harsh winter weather. It's a true hand savior. The lemon butter cuticle cream revitalizes and softens cuticles, preventing hangnails and keeping your hands looking their best. It's a delightful addition to your hand care routine. The set also includes a pair of soft cotton gloves to enhance absorption and lock in moisture. It's the perfect way to indulge in a luxurious hand spa experience at home. These hand creams are made with natural ingredients like sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera. They're gentle on your skin and effective at moisturizing. This beautifully packaged gift set makes a thoughtful present for the holidays or any special occasion. It's sure to be appreciated by anyone who receives it. What we like. This hand cream set uses all natural ingredients to deeply moisturize and repair dry skin. It comes in a beautiful gift box, making it perfect for gifting. If you're looking for a thoughtful and effective gift, or simply want to treat yourself to luxurious natural hand care, this is a great option. What people say. Makes for a great stocking stuffer for the holidays. With all the cold weather we are also having across the nation, my skin has been plagued by dryness. These products are sample size and perfect for trying out which BURT'S product is a match for you. This is great for trying a couple of products and seeing which you like best. Got this for my mother because her hands are always hurting and dry. She likes it so far. Definitely recommend if you would like to try some things out or give a small gift set. My family loves BURT'S products. This set is perfect for self-care routines or adding something smaller but great quality to gift baskets. Number 1. W.O.D.WELDER 3-Step Handcare Kit. Give your hard-working hands the care they deserve with our new 3-step system. It's easy to use and perfect for keeping your hands healthy and soft. Start by gently smoothing away calluses and rough patches with our natural pumice stone. It's perfect for hands and feet. Next, replenish lost moisture with our rich, hydrating cream. It absorbs quickly and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. Finally, repair and protect damaged skin with our soothing salve. It helps heal cracks and dryness, leaving your hands feeling healthy and strong. We use only all-natural ingredients, responsibly sourced. It's the perfect way to pamper your hands naturally. This simple 3-step process provides complete hand care, leaving your hands feeling their best. Try it today. What we like. This hand care kit provides a simple 3-step system for healthy hands. It effectively removes calluses while moisturizing and repairing damaged skin. If you're looking for a straightforward, effective way to improve the health of your hands, this kit is for you. What people say. My fingertips and cuticles are not splitting and bleeding like usual. My calluses are not tearing off after using the hand cream for an extended amount of time. The hand cream has a very nice peppermint scent that doesn't stick around for long. The salve is in a push-up tube that makes application faster and easier than a traditional tin. Out of the whole kit I used the pumice stone, which is great, and the moisturizing cream, which is awesome. The scent of the cream is very pleasant and the feel of my hands after applying it is great. It hydrates and fixes your hands in no time. The balm has a nice minty smell, and it actually really soothing to your rips and tears. The hand cream is fairly similar to O'Keeffe's Work in Hands, minus the sticky feeling O'Keeffe's leaves. On the contrary, the W.O.D.WELDER hand cream has a silky feel to it and a minty smell as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.